Because the fence cost more than the cow, the farmer cut the cow's head off.
Oh my God.
I've actually got a great one here from Rebecca. I grew up in a place called West Houghton. Pronounce.
West Horton.
West Horton. I would have said Houghton. There's no or in there.
West Horton is an interesting place.
I've never been.
I've gigged there when I lived in Manchester. I gigged there.
People from West Horton are known as, what the hell is that? Keaw-yeds.
Yeds, yeah, Keaw-yeds.
It comes from a cat's head. Why are they known as cow's heads? There's an old story, this is what Rebecca says, that a farmer had a brand new gate installed in one of his fields, but one of his cows got its head stuck in the bars. Because the fence cost more than the cow, the farmer cut the cow's head off.
Oh my God.
Rather than cutting through the gate. Why are you laughing? That's horrific. That's animal cruelty.
Because it's just the most Northwest story I've ever heard in my entire life. Can I just say, before we get emails, I'm laughing because it's an urban myth. It's obviously not true.
Could be.
No, it's not. There's no
You're not
way.
describing West Horton well.